This is my Elliott Victoria Junior horizontal milling machine, ashamedly in pretty dirty condition. I use my machines a lot more than I clean them. It's a pretty sturdy machine. All the slades are in good condition, table's in good condition, very nice to use. This is a vice body for a collaboration project I'm busy with. Next operation is to machine in this relief, which is linear along the top and circular around the bottom. So today I'm going to do the linear portion, and I thought I would like to do some horizontal milling.